Today we're going to be discussing big data. Sounds pretty simple, doesn't it? But do you actually know what it means? This is the second video in our A to Z series through common enterprise IT phases, and we're going to be discussing all things big data. I'm Charlotte, and let's get straight into the video. So, what is big data? Big data is a large and complex set of data, especially referring to data coming from a wide variety of different sources. For example, Twitter data is coming instantaneously from every corner of the planet in forms such as video, images, and text. Every single minute, 2.1 million Snapchats are sent, 1 million people log into Facebook, 188 million emails are sent, 4.5 million YouTube videos are watched, and 3.8 Google searches are made. Wow, that's a lot of data. Big data is defined and characterized by having 3 V's: volume, velocity, and variety. Volume refers to a very large amount of low density and unstructured data. Velocity meaning at a very fast rate, and variety refers to different types of data, such as video, image, and text. The Internet of Things is becoming more and more of a big thing. We will explain this in a later video. However, the Internet of Things basically means more and more devices are being connected to the Internet. We've gone from phones and PCs to smart TVs and kettles, all of which are generating a huge amount of data. The data can then be analysed by marketers or analysts, but it needs to be processed first. Machine learning, which we will do a video on, and cloud computing, which we have just done a video on, are generating a lot of data too. So it's a really fast-growing industry. As mentioned, big data hardwares need to be quick. This means a lot of RAM is needed to be able to store immediate incoming data. And if data is being stored long-term, then a huge amount of storage space would be required. Recent and upcoming hardware like TPUs are also a new way of allowing faster data transfer operations. Programs like Hadoop are used. This is software which can store your data for analysis. Hadoop uses a distributed file system to store big data. Big files will be broken down into various smaller chunks and stored on various machines. This also keeps your data safe, as it means if one machine fails, your data is safe on another. Now you've learnt about big data, let us know what you think big data will help us with in the future by leaving a comment down below. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a thumbs up, and if you'd love to see more content like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to be notified every time we post a new video. See you in the next one!